Hello viewers, are you facing YouTube video playing glitch issue? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, long tap on YouTube app. Then open YouTube app info. Click on I button or app info. Then go to storage option. Click on clear cache. Now go back. And then force stop your YouTube app. Click on force stop. Then click on OK. Now come back to home screen. And then go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search for YouTube. Update your YouTube apps in latest version. Click on update option and then wait for completing update process. After completing YouTube app update process, power off on your device and then go to YouTube app and see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.